Hello everyone, today we are going to unbox the Supreme Zippo lighter. It was a few seasons ago and I'm just now recording it. It's been set in my room just for show for a while, so it's a little bit dusty. But yeah, let's check it out. The box is pretty, I think it's a standard Zippo box. It's my first Zippo as well, so it has the regular, like the instructions and the safety things in it. Underneath the lighter you have a congratulations on your purchase thing. It also lets you know that the Zippo products are legally protected by patents and registered designs. Wow. The lighter itself, the color is pretty, it's really nice. It's, well, obviously Supreme red and well, Supreme white, I guess, with the text. And yeah, it's just a regular Zippo. That's pretty much it. Thanks for watching.